In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for a TikTok shop seller account with a focus on setting up your store in the food and beverages category. We'll walk through each step, ensuring that you're not only ready to open your shop, but also set up for success in promoting your delicious creations. Let's dive right in. First, you want to navigate to the TikTok Shop Seller Center. This is essentially the control room for everything related to your TikTok shop. You'll want to ensure that you have a TikTok account, as signing up with your existing account will make the process smoother and integrate seamlessly with your current TikTok profile. Once you're logged in, you'll need to provide your business details. This includes your business name and address, as well as your bank account information, which is crucial for handling transactions. Make sure these details are accurate and up to date. You will also need to upload any necessary verification documents, such as proof of identity and business registration. This might seem a bit overwhelming at first, but it's just TikTok's way of ensuring secure and legitimate business activity on their platform. Now that you have an account set up, it's time to set up your shop. This is where you'll add a touch of personality and branding to your shop. Start by adding a catchy and easily memorable shop name. This is the first impression customers will have, so make it count. Next, you'll want to upload your shop's logo and craft a creative and concise bio that outlines what makes your shop unique. Since we're focusing on the food and beverages category, make sure to select that during the setup. It's also important to check if your country requires any licenses or permits to sell food online. If so, have those documents ready to upload, which will keep you compliant and build customer trust. With your shop now set up, it's time to list your food products. Click on Add Product and you'll start filling in the details for your offerings. Begin with the product name and a detailed description that highlights what makes your item special. Mention unique flavors or preparation methods that might catch a customer's eye. Set the right price that balances competitiveness with profitability, and don't forget to add the quantity you have available. Eye-catching photos or engaging videos can make all the difference here, so take the time to create high-quality, accurate visuals of your products. Also, it's really helpful to highlight important details like ingredients, storage instructions, and shelf life. This transparency builds trust with potential buyers. Finally, promoting your food is key to driving sales and growing your brand. Consider leveraging TikTok's unique marketing tools and trends to creatively showcase your products. Whether through viral challenges or engaging storytelling, the right promotion can bring your shop to life. And there you have it. You're now ready to set up and start selling on TikTok Shop in the food and beverages category. Thanks for watching and happy selling.